Ready? Okay, guys, so we got a couple more packages in the mail today. We're gonna get these, or well, we've done open them up. We just got them back in the box here. Go ahead and get these out here and show them to you. Make sure that's everything. Yes, okay. So right here we have another remote starter solenoid. This came from Mr. Billy Weeks. So thank you, Mr. Billy. These things go bad all the time, so you never can have too many of these things. That's why we put them on the wish list. And now we've got 2 spares, so hopefully we should be better prepared and not have to do it at the track like we did last year. He also got us a bag of J-clips and body bolts. There's 25 in here. This also came from Mr. Billy Weeks as well, so thank you, Billy, for that. We're always needing body bolts and J-clips. That's what we use to hold the wheel covers on, so you take them on and off a lot in a hurry, and sometimes they get messed up, so it's great to have these and great to have spares. Thanks again, Mr. Billy. This box here just came from Mr. Rick Bob Yee Yee. This box was already kind of open when we got it, so he got us some nice colorful saran wrap for our tires. So we've always used clear, that's what we had. He picked out a bright, pretty color, so.
He said he was tired of you being boring.
Oh, so that's what he said.
I'm just kidding.
We'll take this and we'll use it. Thanks for the saran wrap, Mr. Rick Bob Yee Yee.
I don't think it really matters what color it is. It all works the same, huh?
I mean, it does. It's doing what we need it to do. Rick Bob Yee Yee is a follower over on TikTok, so y'all let him know. We appreciate it.
Alright guys, so that's all of our unboxing today. We greatly appreciate everybody that has purchased us stuff. It's definitely going to help our racing program and take a little bit of the financial strain off. But we are back in the shop today. Today's goal plans are to work on the trailer. So that's what we're gonna get to doing. Yeah, it's very unorganized, and like we said the other night, we couldn't find a wrench. We couldn't find a wrench for the header bolts when we needed it. We used to have like 2 or 3, and we had 0 at the racetrack. So that kind of put us in a little bit of a bind. I had to use a crescent wrench. But anyway.
I got a question. Say there's a possibility of having a camera inside my helmet. What do you guys think about that? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't really care.
Because like the GoPro now is beside him, so it's not really.
It's over here. It's not really giving a first person field.
This will be a point of view.
Yeah, this will be a POV.
Yeah.
First person point of view. So comment down below, let us know what you think. You guys think that'd be a good idea, bad idea? They're kind of expensive. Just something we're kind of juggling and thinking, hey, you know, let's see if we can do something a little different. So let us know.
All right, guys, you heard it. Brad is probably fixing to walk outside with the guys. Joel and Chris are out here. Maggie's out here. She's using this trailer as a jungle gym, climbing up and down and running and, you know, all the fun stuff. Hey!
She told people to get in a while ago, and no, that ain't going.
Hey, tell everybody hey. Tell everybody hey. Tell them what your name is.
Bradberry.
Your name is not Bradberry. What's your name? Magnolia. What else do you go by? Maggie?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. What's on your shirt?
Mickey Mouse.
What's on your pants?
Minnie Mouse.
Do you love Mickey Mouse? You do?
I love Minnie.
You love Minnie? Okay, all right. All right.
What about Paw Patrol?
So y'all like puppy dogs too? Alright guys, so I'm gonna walk over here and let you guys see the cats. We've got them in their little tucked away spot. Out of all the elements, the weather, rain, everything, they're good and comfy in here. Like I told you guys, I think I have before, she had 6 and 4 died, only 2 lived. So here she is, and she's got her little buffet out here. This has kind of just been a storage shed, so we moved everything out just to get her and her babies in. So there's her 2 babies. She's just got 2 of them. Hey, no ma'am. She's just got 2 babies since the other 4 died. Hey, come here. Come here. Leave her alone.
We'll wear on the nights. We'll wear. Yeah. So you don't have to get up from there and do it. We'll wear just copper everything. That's pretty bright light. Pretty nice light. Hey, not only one. That's your pair, Chris. I like it better than anything. Chris, you need to strap them on your belt loop like a old western. 6 shooters dangling on your side right there. We're going to.
Joel and Chris are going through the goodies back here.
You've been looking good.
Looks like Brad is kind of putting the new grinder to work. He's going to test it out. What'd she say?
I got a feeling this might go to her finger though.
You ain't gonna cut that with a knife. You got a good idea on cutting cardboard.
Oh, we're getting somewhere now.
Get up. Get up. Yeah, I'm happy. There you go. All right, you ready now?
What are you doing, silly?
What do you got on your hands? You got mommy's gloves. You do?
Mom, what the?
Let's go. Where are we going?
I don't need that right now.
Okay, we'll get in Daddy's race car in just a second, okay, baby?
Oh, you had to get your driving book.
Okay. All right. We gotta go get in Daddy's race car. All right. Yeah, she said Daddy wears gloves in the race car.
What the?
Okay, all right, let's get in. Here, hold on. Let me.
No, you'd have thought one. Good buddy Double D would have thought hard.
Ah, Double D.
You know,
Oh, you in Daddy Way's car?
This thing got the torque.
Baby, that'll fall.
Keep it flatter.
So Chris put this little on the air thing up here. I don't really know what purpose it serves because it's in the shop. So unless you're in the shop, you don't know it. But if you're in the shop, then you already know it. I don't know. All right, we're out here. We're gonna see if we can get this trailer a little bit more organized and make sure we have everything that we need.
You remember these?
Remember them?
Yeah, you remember? You was cutting the bras.
No, sir. No.
I
No.
forgot to tell you yesterday. He blamed that on you.
No, you're a big fat liar. I had the scissors and you went and got those and started cutting stuff.
I said when you get done with them, put them back in the trunk.
You are lying. I didn't even have them in my hands.
That's the good ones too, ain't it?
Yeah. All for a cat.
Or did I?
Yeah.
No, you brought them out there though.
Yeah, and I give them to you, and I said when you get done, put them back in the trailer. You left them on.
No, I don't believe it. I think I handed them to you.
I believe every word you said.
I don't believe anything he says. He lies.
I believe every word you said.
He lied. Margaret, what are you trying to do?
What? You're welcome.
Uh-oh, Daddy getting on.
Yeah.
That's Dallas.
Yeah, Dallas will find it for you. I guess we need to cut that off.
Yeah, you need to cut it off.
What are you doing? Leave your shoes on.
Shoes on. Dallas is on one that ripped her leg out, Mom.
Oh, I still got a bruise on my leg from it.
Drain blood?
Not this time.
Not this time, but last time I did.
I paid for him, but
What?
What are y'all doing?
Alright, done with media time, and I told them that we had to come check on these two. So,
well, I just got JB Weld.
are you sure that's what it is?
You missed the money shot, Dallas. I mean, it went up in the air just as pretty like a rainbow and just
My God, that's.
yeah, no kidding. And now I got to wear it home. How did I get that on there?
Yeah, but what are you flipping out about?
Chris is hitting Joel with stuff. We don't know what it is, but it's some kind of liquid.
It ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Well, I'm going to tell you what.
It's some JB Weld.
Hey, I'm going to tell you what. I ain't sound like a woman, but I'm just glad he didn't get it mine.
Well, I didn't think it was no good. I wouldn't have shot it like that.
We better stop when we're in. Look!
Well,
He said, look!
I think we're gonna go back in there and go to media,
It'd been nice to know them was in there in that drawer when I put my hot water heater in.
Water heater, Chris.
Hot
what was
water
in
heater.
there?
Water heater. Well, who knows?
We don't need them at the racetrack.
That was shoved in the back of that drawer right there. No, I'll tell you.
It's when we put
No,
the
he got to griping. He said, I wish I'd have known them was in there when I put the, I'm going to say it correctly, water heater in. Then he confessed, I bet I put them in there when I was putting that heater in out here. I guarantee you, that's what I see.
It's always him, but he always blames it on everybody else.
So,
That's funny.
Oh,
Y'all are in there spanking each other, shooting stuff on each
You
other.
noticed it right off the bat. See, you said he wouldn't notice it.
I did not.
why would you?
I told you. That's what I told you.
Because it won't come out. You don't want it coming out.
That's a good idea, actually. Because all you gotta do is pull it out.
You want it bouncing around in the
Exactly.
pressure wrench drawer?
Leave it alone.
Whatever.
It don't look good laying in the wrenches. Because we got the wrenches looking superb.
Wrenches or ranches?
How long is that gonna last?
Oh, it
About 30 minutes
Where's the 5/16?
in the 5/16 slot, Hoss.
How many of them are there?
There's
One.
just one right now. We didn't put the rest of them in there. We ain't got the car loaded up yet.
Where's all these?
What's that? No. You stay out of that box. Put that down. Put it down. You stay out of that box.
15.5 inches.
Oh, wait. I'm glad you got that right now.
Yeah, we need to put some shelving in there. And some
We
shelves
can't
right
put
there.
shelves in here.
Why?
Because Chris has already figured out that when he gets to where he can't afford to go to the racetrack, show him, Chris. That's how he's going to get in the pit.
Hey, it's about as good for a commode in there.
When you said, hey, you know what we can do? That's the first thing out of my mouth was a bathroom.
I think we can put a commode in there.
Well, good luck, because I won't ever get in there.
I was about to say, there ain't no way I'm getting in
Try it. I think you can.
You and Dallas be the only two that could get in there. And Maggie.
Look, that's just perfect.
Oh, well, that don't work. Oh, my finger.
See, that's just perfect.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's actually not a bad idea, really.
We just drop it
Chris,
on the ground.
Chris, go in there again. Go in there again. Go in there.
I knew what y'all did.
Chris, why did you say you were gonna go in there?
I've been around this bunch too long. I know what this is gonna do.
So where's these gonna go?
Oh, Darn, Joel. Why didn't you give them to me? Right there. That's good. That's where we was gonna put them just a bit.
Joel, tell us again why Chris said that.
Blue.
All right, guys. So that's gonna finish us up. So Rick Bob sent us some tire wrap. Brad's already got that wrapped up. It's nice and pretty blue. We appreciate you guys watching. We hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We hope you guys got a laugh out of it. Joel's back out here. Joel's wanting me to move out of the way. I didn't know what he was doing. But anyway, that's gonna wrap us up tonight. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thanks to all of our partners, Workspeed Performance Parts, KT Heating and Air, Barry Apparel Co., Brand Transmissions, Gorsuch Performance, Stock Tech Brakes, Penske Shocks, Hammers Grading, and Fatdaddys crew out of Lafayette, Indiana. I'm getting you right. Hopefully, I got Allsouth by BB Designs. I knew I was missing somebody. Can't miss that one. That's a very important one. We're appreciative of everything that Brandon Boyd does for our team, and appreciative that Allsouth chose to work with us this year. But anyway, that's gonna wrap us up. We hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Our first planned race as of right now will be April 1st at Talladega Short Track. After that, we'll be up in the air. We will be running the World of Outlaw race there, but as of that race and between, we don't really know. But we'll see you guys.